today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a secret way to find ideas that actually sell and are selling on Redbubble. I've never seen anyone else ever cover this in a video. So if you're ready for this, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print on demand stores. If you're new around here and you haven't already, please do click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any future videos. We've helped a lot of people to get their first online sales through sites like Redbubble, and if you're looking for any extra information to do that yourself, I do actually have a free print on demand starter guide that's linked down in the description. I also do have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked there for anyone looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing. And as for the paid step-by-step guide, I was actually supposed to release the newer version today. I've not been able to because I'm still adding to it, because I want to make sure that it literally has every piece of information I have when it comes to Redbubble and getting sales. For those that have already bought the V1 of the course, there's a link in the description. Please put your emails there. Not a lot of people put their emails from the last video that I mentioned this. As for what I want to show you today, I do need to jump on Redbubble, and as you can see here, I am on the review section, and this is the secret way that will allow you to pretty much find ideas of what to make designs for. And this is something I've been using quite a lot to actually build up my portfolio of evergreen designs. And if you stay with me throughout this video, I will actually go on to explain why. Now, starting us off, the main reasons I like this section here is because obviously it gives you a good idea of what everyone thinks in regards of the products. Most of the reviews speak about the materials, but every now and again, if you look through, you will see a review such as this one that shows you who is buying this product and who they are buying it for. For example, we've got one here that says, "My boyfriend loves his birthday present." So this review shows that someone bought a t-shirt as a birthday present for their boyfriend. These reviews aren't specific to the design that you're on. These are just general reviews for that product. So it could be on any design, but they're all kind of linked together. So when you're reading these, you want to take this information and apply it to that certain product. So in this instance, it would be a t-shirt, and trying to think of a maybe funny birthday related t-shirt for a boyfriend. I really do like that this feature is inbuilt within Redbubble, and I feel like it's really underused. As like I said, I've never really seen anyone else talk about this, but there's a lot of information you guys can find from this. And I mean, if you niche down in the boyfriend birthday niche, I'm pretty sure you can find a niche with low competition that you can make designs for. If you don't have any ideas as to what you can actually make for a potential keyword, you can literally jump onto Redbubble, type it in the search bar, search it. So here I've put boyfriend. Obviously there's a lot of results at the moment, but you can literally go through these tabs at the top, reducing the competition till you get to a point where there isn't that much competition. So we've gone from boyfriend to I love my boyfriend to Chinese boyfriend, which only has 1,300 results. And this is something that you guys can easily do, and that way, in a sense, you can kind of get yourself in a niche with low competition. Next product we're going on to now is the greetings card. So these are the reviews for all greetings cards. So I was looking through, and once again, I came across some interesting reviews, especially one here where someone was saying, "It was perfect. My uncle turns 80 on July 11th and he will literally bowl you over when he's going to the casino. So it was perfect. The quality is great. Arrived so fast." Now, one thing or a couple of things you can actually pick out from this is the fact that it's telling you how old this person's uncle turns. So they're turning 80, and it also tells you what they like doing, going to the casino. If you want to look even deeper into it, it tells you the relationship that this person has with who they're gifting the thing to. So it's their uncle. So you can, if you want, look for a niche that covers uncles that are turning 80 that like to go casinos. If there isn't a niche for that, you could potentially make your own version of that and obviously have it out there. And if you want to scale that even more, you can make this for uncles that are turning a variation of ages, and then that way you actually have a scalable design, all from information that you get from a review. Another review here, once again, for greetings cards. Someone was saying, great choice of designs for cards, found just what I wanted for grandson's birthday. I find it difficult to get a good card for a 12-year-old in local shops, especially during lockdown. This is something I actually jumped on quite a while back. I actually made quite a lot of lockdown-based greetings cards that did quite well. And this just comes to show why people come to Redbubble, mainly because local shops may not have things that are linked to particularly what you're looking for or what you're going through at a particular time. And the last thing that I want to talk about in regards of the greetings cards is the fact that if you do meet customers' demands, you can get to a point where people are buying multiple cards. And it's shown in this review where someone was saying, we love buying cards and gifts from Redbubble. The quality is great and there are handsome savings when you're buying multiple cards. So obviously, if you can find a way to meet people's demands, it can get to a point where people do start buying a lot of cards. This is something that's happening to me, that's been happening to me, and that also happens to a lot of you guys that have taken my advice on actually listing greetings cards. When it comes to stickers, people don't really seem to give too much away in the reviews, but from what I'm seeing, I mean, with one of the first reviews there, it literally said Redbubble stickers are fantastic. For several years now, I've been buying stickers from Redbubble and using them to decorate beverage containers, as grad gift, or for other moments during the year. Actually, I mean, there is something that's a bit of a giveaway there. It mentions grad gifts, so this is graduation gifts. So for those that are looking to get into selling stickers, this could be a piece of information you use to make graduation based stickers. And this person mentions how they've been buying stickers for a while and how they use stickers for a variation of things, and this more than ever prompts sticker packs. For those that don't know what sticker packs are, it's literally when you have multiple images as part of one sticker, kind of like this. I don't know if you guys can see that properly. I mean, based off that information, if we jump on Redbubble and we search graduation stickers, 181,000 results pop up. I mean, if we click on grad, drops down to 18,000. But if you're looking to obviously jump in on a sub niche of this with less competition, you can maybe then put 2022 grad to maybe start creating stickers for people graduating in 2022. And as you can see, there's just under 2,000 results. Obviously from the review, we've seen that they're proven to sell, as someone was actually willing to go out the way to leave a review. This just shows the power of looking into reviews and getting information you can use to get ideas. Now with these reviews, it's not just on the products that I've spoke about. All of the products besides the newer products have reviews. So if you have spare time, find some products, maybe products that are selling well for you or products that you're interested in. Have a look at the reviews and I can guarantee you'll get some sort of ideas of maybe evergreen niches you can get into or keywords you can use in your titles or your tags. If you enjoyed this video, here's another video you might enjoy. I talk about stickers and sticker packs in this one. For anyone who's made it to this point, comment down, I know your secret. And always remember that everything is rigged in your favor and manifest success.